this box took 1 month to get to me. It's Korean skincare. I don't even know what's in here. I mean, I ordered it, I paid for it, but flipping heck, it's chunky monkey. So let's get into it. This box turned up yesterday. Now, I ordered it on the 6th of June. And then after 2.5 weeks, I emailed them to say, oh, I haven't had a dispatch note yet. And they said, no, they're waiting for 2 more items. It could be like 2.5 more weeks. And I said, oh no, please send it. Cancel those 2 items and send out the package. So if you ever do use Stylevana, just keep in mind that they might hold back your delivery based on something that actually wasn't in stock, but it was in stock when I bought it. Here in the UK, I did used to use certain products, and then Boots, for an example, had their own brand like face cream and cleanser, and I loved it. It was so simple to use. It was very clean products, and then they decided to change it. So I went to Korea. I didn't go to Korea, I wish. I went to Stylevana, which I think is based in Korea, and I've got this box here. So I'm going to open it with you now and show you some of the stuff I've got. I don't know what I've got. I can't even remember. It's been so long. Packed little goodies. There's one thing on the top straight away that I know and love. Okay, I'm going to whiz through these things, okay, but anything that is particularly like wonderful, I'll tell you about. Now this, absolutely love this. I use this and have used this previously. I subscribe to a monthly Korean face mask box, and this came in it one time, and I remember cleansing my face one day and putting this on, and the moisture that I could feel going into my skin, it was so hydrating and cooling. Not cooling like it felt cold, but it just felt nourishing to my face. So I have bought this again, and I've bought it again just now. So this one is the JM Solution Water Luminous Avocado Oil Ampoule Mask Plus. I would definitely suggest getting this. This is and it's very reasonable in price. It's the Haruharu Wonder Black Rice Probiotic Barrier Essence. So I think you put this on after you've cleansed your face, and it's supposed to be very, very good. I think that brand name is very, very good. My absolute all-time favourite sunscreen. It's a twin pack. So this is one I'm using right now. So that is the same thing as that. So Centella, and it is Skin 1004. And it comes with 2 of these in here. And it's Factor 50. You can put it on top of your moisturiser. It's not greasy. It doesn't have any white cast. It's Water Fit Sun Serum. Let me just show you how it looks on my skin. So a little dollop just there. Yeah, so it's gone, and it's lovely and hydrating. So that is one of my all-time favourites, and I have been to many a country abroad, used this multiple times, bought it multiple times, love them. I'm going to be using and buying this on repeat. Okay, Purito, this one is the lovely packaging actually. This is the Pure Vitamin C Serum. Now, whenever I put vitamin C on before I go out, it looks like I've got a black eye. And I think it's because it's generally, I don't know what colour this one is, but generally vitamin C is a orangey colour. I'm going to use this at night time instead and do it underneath my nighttime moisturiser to avoid that situation. Cutest packaging, oh my goodness. This is a vegan lip mask. So I'm going to be using this, my other ones have finished. Vitaglazed lip mask. And it's got vitamin E, it's got olive oil, and it's got pomegranate as well. Okay, and I recognise the packaging again. So it's Purito, which was that one there. And this one is the niacinamide 10 and retinol serum. So this will hopefully be good for my deep set lines and wrinkles. So I'll be excited to see how that one goes. Another Purito. This one is retinol 2000 NAD plus serum. I know people get NAD injected into them, so it's supposed to be that good. So these are all things I'm trying out, with the exception of the sheet masks and the sunscreen, which I've already tried. Everything else is new to me. Okay, now this I love. I'm just showing you the package, how it comes. I actually already have it. So this is the Purito again, and it's Green Alexander. It's Green Advocado cleansing balm, melt and refresh. So this is my second one, so that's my third one. I use this all the time. It comes with a little spatula and takes off makeup really nicely. So you can see, completely using it. You take a scoop just like that, put it on your hand, and then put this away, and then you just basically balm it up, put it all over your face. Now you could leave it for a few minutes, or you could go straight in with a wet muslin cloth and take off all your makeup, or just take off your day's grime if you've been traveling around the city and stuff like that. But yeah, this is so nice, and for me it seems to be really gentle, so I love that. And I sort of feel like I've given myself a good cleanse. It's called Inky, and it's in the number 21. So I'm just going to show a quick swatch of what it looks like. So this is my lipstick, so that's mine already, and I love it. And I've bought a new colour, number 21, this is number 23, the new one. I'm just going to put it next to it to see what the colour looks like. You know, online you can't really tell. Bit more rich, maybe a bit more rich, just a tad. I mean, it's so close in colour. But regardless, I use it, so I'm happy to have that. But this is the Dr. Althena grinding cleansing milk, quick and easy cleansing, no spatula required. You just turn it one way to get a little bit out for like light makeup or light cleansing, and all the way for if you feel like you have like heavy makeup on that day, a nice clean bit on the top that you just wipe off and just use straight away. So yeah, I'm excited to start using that. I also got this into it. It's called Skin Lucent Matte Setting Powder. I don't set my face with setting powder because I'm worried that it's gonna make it look dry and cakey. So I just got this to try. It makes it look like it's got a blurred finish. I mean, right now I am shiny, but that's because the finishing spray that I use is dewy, so that's fine. But yeah, I'd be interested to see if this would help me with my makeup. And I just whizzed the last few items, just more sheet masks, like coconut sheet mask, collagen sheet masks, cucumber sleeping masks, and lovely aloe. So yeah, I got a few interesting things to try out and some repeat purchases. So I'm actually really enjoying getting to know Korean beauty. I don't know the origins of all of these products, obviously, because there's so many different companies within the umbrella of Stylevana, but I've got a lot of products here that are actually repeat purchases. The only thing I do not like is snail mucin or human umbilical cord essence. I can't, I'm really sorry, I can't do that. I'm sure they're absolutely wonderful, but I can't put snail mucin on my face. I can't put umbilical cord essence on my face, near my eyes. I'm just funny. I'd just rather a cucumber or a bit of aloe vera. Are you with me on that? And if you have used it, I mean, I know a lot of my viewers have used K-Beauty. So what's your like favourite thing to try out? I love the feeling of being pampered. Like, I love feeling like my skin's gone and it's like moisturizing and it looks great, and I just love a product to feel like it's doing something, whether it's visually or it feels good for me. But no, do let me know in the comments below if you've used K-Beauty, if you've used this company, and have you made any repeat purchases. Anyway guys, thank you for being here, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.